All right, so we're heading out to Khao Lak, which is outside of Phuket. It's only about an hour and a half drive from our house, from the bridge, which is connected to the mainland of Thailand, from Phuket. It's around, I think, 45 minutes, and it's a really great place. It's actually, you might have heard of it during the tsunami that was here. There was quite a bit of damage there. Anyway, it's recovered since. And we really like to go there a lot because it's pretty quiet. There's a lot of family-oriented resorts where the hotels have like water playgrounds, swimming pools, kids clubs, a lot of facilities for families. And so we've been checking out different types of resorts there every month or so. And yeah, it has playgrounds. Today we're gonna go check out a new one that we haven't been to before. La Flora. Hey! Hi Luca. Hi Lodi. This place is amazing. Pizza, spaghetti, rice for the baby. What else? And sticky. Swaninam restaurant and bar, right? Yeah, right next to the I forgot the name. What's the name? What? Waterfall name. Sai Rung Waterfall, which means rainbow in Thai. Wait, let's go sit. We can sit right by the waterfall. Look. Say hello. Hello. They have yummy food. Where are we going?
In the hotel.
To the skate park.
Skate park!
All right, so we're in Khao Lak. We're at La Flora Hotel. This is our first time here, but it's really nice. We upgraded the room for an extra $15 or so to be right next to the kids club, right by the beach, right by the pools, with pool access. So I'll show you what that looks like. It's really messy right now here. All right, and there's the main pool over there with the seats. The beach is over there. And the kids club is right next to us, and obviously we can walk or jump right into the pool. Yeah, and at Khao Lak there's a lot of, I mean, it's a nice place to go to just relax because Phuket's a lot more crowded, right? There's a lot more activities over there, but here there's a really cool thing that we're gonna go check out soon called the Little Amazon. So you get on a bamboo raft or a canoe and you go through the mangroves, and the guide who rows for us will help find wildlife. So last time we went, we saw a lot of cobras, different types of snakes, the hornbill bird or something, which is very pretty, and it's a lot of fun. So we're gonna go check that out. See ya.